Hi, Rich here from Enhance. Just fitted 2 heated seats to this 2019 Ford Kuga. Just going to show you around the vehicle and what we've installed. So everything inside the vehicle is as it would be from factory. No additions on top of the seat, everything goes in and underneath. In the back of the seat here you've got one heating pad, and then in the base here you've got another heating pad. Got the addition just here of a small rocker switch. So currently it's set to high. If you flick the rocker switch to the bottom, it will give you low, or to the center is off. So this has been fitted to both driver and passenger seat, giving them each independent controls. It is currently wired to the ignition as well, so when you turn the ignition of the vehicle off, the seats will automatically switch off with the vehicle. Should you have any other inquiries, or you'd like to get this fitted to your vehicle, or any other audio or security, please give us a call on 01622 737393 or contact us at caraudiokent.co.uk. Thank you.